Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Unleashed podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, everyone. I'm Leo.
Leo, how are you today?
I'm great, thank you. How about you, Emily?
I'm very good. I'm happy today.
That's wonderful.
Hey, everyone, before we start today's episode, please follow our podcast and don't forget to share it with your friends.
Yes, share it with everyone and leave us a comment too.
We love reading your comments.
We really do.
Okay, Leo, today we have a very fun topic.
Ooh, I love fun topics. What is it?
Today we're talking about fun. What do you do for fun?
That's a great question. I do many things for fun.
Me too. Fun is very important in life, right?
Yes, exactly. We need a little fun every day.
So, Leo, tell me, what do you like to do for fun?
Well, I love listening to music. Music makes me happy.
Oh, that's great. I love music too. What kind of music do you like?
I like rock and pop music. How about you, Emily?
I like pop and jazz. Jazz is very relaxing.
Wow, jazz is beautiful. Do you play music?
No, I don't play, but I listen to music every day. What about you?
I play the guitar, just a little bit.
That's amazing, Leo. Playing guitar is fun.
Yes, it is, but I'm not very good yet.
That's okay. The important thing is to have fun.
Exactly.
So, listening to music and playing guitar are fun for you. What else do you do?
Well, I also like reading books. Reading is relaxing.
Oh, I love reading too. What kind of books do you read?
I like adventure and mystery books. They're exciting.
That sounds great. I like romance and cooking books.
Cooking books, that's interesting.
Yes, I love cooking. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies.
So cooking is fun for you.
Yes, very fun. I try new recipes every week.
Wow, that's wonderful. Do you cook for your family?
Yes, for my husband and kids, they love trying new food.
That's so nice. I like cooking too, but I'm not very good at it.
You can learn. Cooking is easy when you practice.
That's true. Maybe I should cook more often.